Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very, very nice movement today, especially from the bigger picture of things. And I bring that up because when you keep things in context, there was a big old gap down, if you're not quite sure what I mean by gap down if you're new. So on Wednesday, the price closed right there. And then this morning, the price opened right there, hence the gap down. And the price gap down essentially right to this green line that I've talked about before at 2015. So this morning, it was a very, very valid question of, is this about to get really, really disastrous? Is the price going to just continue to flush further and further down? And no, absolutely not. The bulls showed up in a big way. And not only did that area of support hold down around 2015, it served as a very, very nice bounce point back to the upside, so much so that it even got back up above that area of support right there. So going into tomorrow, both these levels that I talked about as support on Wednesday are still levels of support, but that was not the case earlier on in the day with that big gap to the downside. So good to see that the price was able to bounce and, like I said, just get itself all the way back up above both those areas. So from that side of things, nothing has changed. I mean, the first key level of support is right there at 2075. And the key level of support after that down around 2015. So kind of a little case of deja vu there if you watch the video from Wednesday. But like I said, the underlying dynamic there is just how, this morning started with that gap down, but the price was able to recover very nicely. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, the level to watch now going forward is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. The current value of that is at $21.70. So watch that going forward. But yeah, all in all, very, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.